back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art Designs and to today's pour. And if you guys watch me regularly, then that means that you're familiar with this color palette that I recently used on my favorite comb swipe to date. It might be one of my favorite paintings, but I just had another phenomenal one with my all metallics, and oh my gosh, guys, I will link those pours for you. Definitely take a look. I wanted to do a satin enamel base, and then I have a couple of my plastic swiping tools here. The canvas I'm using today, guys, I'm doing a repour on an 8x20. I love these small, narrow canvases. I have our colors here, guys, and just in case you didn't watch my other pour, this here is Turquoise Blue by Liquitex Basics. This is also Light Olive Green by Liquitex Basics. Gorgeous color. This color palette is just beautiful. And then I have that dark phthalo blue. Okay, so I want this to be minimal, guys. I only need about 5.5 to 6 ounces, and I say 5.5 to 6. I do my calculator, but I always say a little bit more. And these here are 2-ounce cups, so they're filled about halfway. So I got about 1.5-ish, maybe 2, and I don't want to overdo it. And this here holds 6 ounces, so more than enough. So I'm just going to open this up here, my satin enamel base. Okay, I gave it a quick shook or shaken. So it's got lots of air bubbles in it. I think I might have saw a chunk go in there. It's possible. And I'm just going to take my paints individually, guys, and lay those on a pattern. Then I'm just going to give it a quick swipe or two, and then we're going to go ahead and tilt it off and hope to get a nice cloudy effect and have some of that nice bleed through that I love, where the paints kind of spread out and radiate, and or some pearl cells. So let's get going. artistic family. As you can see, the cells developed since you guys seen it last. And I am extremely happy with them. Look at those cool little clusters and that like line, that chain of cells. Beautifully puffy, cloudy pearl cells. I got just enough. Didn't want to overtake it. Love that I was able to stay minimal. Yay! Love the flow of this. Definitely have winter vibes. It looks like a winter landscape depending on how you look at it. So I've just flipped the canvas over, and here in the back looks like snowy mountains, just light snow. And the snow looks like it's falling here. And you have your kind of boulders. And then here you've got like your hill or your valley. And yeah, it just really reminds me of a snow landscape. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your guys' support. Definitely go ahead and like the video, share, and subscribe. It is free. I do appreciate it. It does help the channel. And if you got this far, why not? So once again, thank you guys. Stay tuned for the quick close-up.